Melissa Lopez, Administrator at Region 1 ESC.
Melissa, there's been an event here at the Lone Star National Bank headquarters. Lots of community bankers, lots of educators, a discussion about broadband, and a discussion about your work. Can you bring it all together and tell us, in your view, what it was all about?
Absolutely. So today we had one of our regularly scheduled meetings with the Deep South Texas Financial Literacy Alliance. It is a group, an organization that we formed back in 2012, and it's comprised of Region 1 Education Service Center, banking institutions, credit unions, IHE, community partners, all coming together with the purpose of informing our families and our students about the importance of financial literacy. So today was one of our regularly scheduled meetings, and we had a guest speaker, Ms. Jordana Barton Garcia, who was here to talk about the Community Reinvestment Act and how, again, the broadband initiative ties in to the CRA. This alliance, we started our work in 2012. In our region, historically, we've always done well when it comes to financial aid, informing our students about financial aid and having them apply. But something that we really lacked on was the importance of financial literacy, how to manage their money, how to budget, how to save for their future, save for a rainy day. And we knew at Region 1 that while we have expertise, we were not the experts when it comes to financial literacy. So we elicited the help of the community because we knew that especially our banking institutions and our community organizations, they have the resources in terms of personnel, they have curriculum, they have activities, they have the knowledge to be able to help our families. So therefore, that's why this initiative or this alliance was formed. And throughout the years, we've done outreach to thousands upon thousands of students. And what we try to do is we know that money is a very serious topic, so we make it fun. We make it fun, we make it relatable, and we've seen the impact that it's had because something as simple as giving a student, a piggy bank, we give that as a symbol for them to be able to, again, make wise decisions and save for their future. So our work continues. Our alliance keeps growing. At some point, I know we were at 40 members, again, comprised from various organizations, and folks want to help out. They want to give back. So this is a perfect opportunity for them to be able to make that impact.
I guess our main coverage of this over the years, I always remember when Dora Brown was at IBC Bank, she helped started herself the Houstonville project in some of their schools, and it just seemed a lot of fun. The kids really enjoyed that day when they were the mayor and the police chief and the postman and HEB store owner, etc., etc. But they all learned, the children learned about money and the value of it all. Correct. That was a really cool project.
Yes.
I didn't see any other banks take that up as an idea, but she was a trailblazer there.
Correct. And I agree, financial literacy needs to start at a young age. Texas does require, TEA does require that school districts teach financial literacy in kinder through 8th grade. It's mostly through their math curriculum, where some of these concepts are embedded, but that early awareness and those smart decisions really start at an early age. So there's a lot of resources out there, free resources that families can tap into. Especially, I've seen the movement now where children are becoming young entrepreneurs. So initiatives such as the Lemonade Day, the Minitropolis that some of our school districts lead, like McAllen and Mission CISD, those are ways to again make financial literacy engaging and fun and meaningful. So I do recommend, again, there's a lot of free resources out there that our families can tap into, and so that our students can be able to, again, be wise consumers as they grow older.
Are there any specific projects you're working on that you'd like to tell us about?
We have, through Region 1 ESC, we do host a lot of events for educators, for students, for our families, all of them with the purpose of, again, informing them of the different financial literacy concepts. So we've done everything. We've become very creative. Like, for example, we have a male mentoring initiative called TIES, Together in Excellence for Success. We embed a financial literacy component out there. So this year, our young men and their mentors, we actually took them out to a golf course. And it's a day of mentoring. So again, teaching our young boys about the different careers out there, but also we invite our banking partners to go out there, and as they're talking about their future, as they're talking about the education they want to pursue, the career they want to pursue, then our banking partners are coming in and saying, okay, so what does this mean in terms of the money management? What does it mean in terms of the way that you're going to be able to finance your degree? And therefore, and then from there on, what kind of lifestyle do you want to have? At our event, it's our College Career Military Readiness Symposium. And our keynote speaker that morning, she actually did speak about that. When you, instead of asking students, what do you want to be when you grow up? What kind of lifestyle do you want to have? And based on that lifestyle, they say, okay, if this is a lifestyle I want to have, this is a type of education I need to attain, but these are the type of financial resources I'm going to need. So early on, they can start looking at what is a different type of financial aid available that they can qualify for. Are there scholarships? What is going to be the return on the investment once they attain that degree or that credential? But I thought that was a really wise way of putting it. You know, what kind of lifestyle do you want to have? Well, to our community, we are always looking for folks to come back. The message that I have for our community, especially if you are affiliated with a banking institution, a community organization, nonprofit, higher ed institution, is come partner with us. We're always looking for partners to be able to give back to the community. We serve over 420,000 students in the region. So with that many students and their families, we are looking for all the help we can get. And specifically in this case, we're looking for mentors when it comes to careers, mentors when it comes to financial literacy, just mentors in general that can help guide our students and their families, sometimes through a trajectory that they may not necessarily understand. So that's my message out to the community. Come partner with us. So they can reach out to us at Region 1 Education Service Center. They can call us directly at the Office of College, Career, and Life Readiness, or we also have our Marketing Partnerships department as well. They can call 956-984-6000.
Thank you so much for today's interview.
Thank you. Appreciate it so much.